I got another cheap tent. I think this was like 40 bucks out the door at Walmart. Not that cheap, but you know, 36 plus tax. But it's not torn up yet. We'll give it a couple days. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe just wrap them up in tape and tarps after a while. It's just endless hardcore wind, and beating sun eats that fabric up and turns it to toilet paper. But it looks good right now. Sitting out here in the LTVA North, La Posa North. People going, leaving back to wherever they came from. A lot of Canadians. People from Wisconsin and Michigan. A couple new behind me, but they're not going to last long. They got a dog they've tethered to a 20-foot rope, and it's barking his brains out. Okay, La Posa North, my vintage trailer, over and out. It's Wednesday, March 1st, out on the LTVA land south of Quartzsite, La Posa North. I'm cooking steak, bacon and steak. I'll get my carnivore diet thing going. Outside, it's going to be really loud, so I won't talk much, but it's really windy. And it's getting set to rain out here. I'll let you know when it starts raining. I've got the New York steak with a slice of bacon on top of it. Normally I like to use leaf lettuce or something as a garnish, or add a little color to the meal. And I've been having plain yogurt with the meal as well. But not today, because I haven't been able to find that, or eggs, the last 3 days. I've been back where the wind's really beating the tent. God, I hope that makes it till April. We'll see what happens. Bon appetit. Oh, it's raining. Trailer's all sealed up. I'm gonna head off into town, get water and some eggs, maybe. I talked about eggs earlier. But it's dark and stormy day out here. Have a good day. Still raining. The wind's blowing pretty hard and the rain's blowing at an angle. It's a fine rain, really annoying when you're out there walking in it. So I'm not walking in it. I got my heater on because it's also cold. It's almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, March 1st, and it's supposed to be 57, 58 degrees today, and with the wind chill, it's about 43. Pretty rough on the old timers out here. Have a good day.